Our national bird peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is a very beautiful bird found in very few countries all over the world. In India, peacocks are mostly found in Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Mizoram. Peacock looks very attractive, especially when it dances in rain. It is declared as National Bird of India in the year 1963. In Indian mythology, it is considered as the vehicle of Lord Kartikeya. Peacocks are very shy in nature. They usually avoid people and try to hide them in bushes after seeing them. People used to keep peacock's feathers as to bring prosperity in their homes. They are very alert in nature. If they found any danger around them, they immediately inform to their family by making sound.